Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the Nokia 6.1. Actually the 64 gig version of the Nokia 6.1, which is the first time it's been available with Android One and 64 gigs in the Middle East. So think of it as a new phone, but not really. So just a little background about this phone. The Nokia 6 has been available before the 7 Plus and the Sirocco, 8 Sirocco in the market. However, this variant, the apparently the black one or the blue one, whichever one's inside, was not available until recently because this one is special in that it has 64 gigs of storage inside, which as opposed to 32, and it actually has 4 gigs of RAM as opposed to 3, which pretty much puts it on the same level as the 7 Plus or the, well, not the Sirocco. Sirocco has 6, but it makes it a much better buy for a lot of people in the budget segment because it's got 4 gigs of, you know, unused RAM, and since it's stock Android, makes it a really good, you know, choice for people looking for a budget phone but want clean Android software. And plus it has the whole size thing and boathy, I guess. But yeah, I mean, for about $200 you can't go wrong with Android One, and Nokia is really killing it this year with all these Android One phones. I think it was a very smart choice. What do you think? You like Nokia? Yeah? You're a fan of Nokia now? Yeah. Well, they can't actually hear you saying yes on the camera, yep. I think. Yeah. So you give Nokia also a thumbs up because of this? That's good. That's good. That's good. So I'm here with Rayan, the tech wizard, and we're gonna be unboxing the phone as always. Rayan, do you wanna just start unboxing it?
Yep.
I think you might need a knife. So before we go on with the unboxing, let's just let everyone know the specs. So this is the 5.5-inch display, 1080p. It doesn't have an 18:9 aspect ratio, but you know, I guess for this price point, which is about like $200, it's not bad. It's got a 16 megapixel rear camera with Zeiss optics, which is pretty cool, and 8 megapixel front facing camera. It's got a Snapdragon 630 as opposed to the Snapdragon 660, which is on the Nokia 7.1. But it's actually pretty cool because it's Android One. It's got smooth performance, at least on paper it should, right? So, Rayan, you can go ahead with your unboxing.
Wait a minute, that's so... Seriously, this is the same size?
Yeah, it kind of is the same size. This is the blue variant with gold trim. That's pretty cool. Let's put that on the side for now. You can show everyone else what's inside the rest of the phone. Alright, so you can go ahead and take out everything. So there is a SIM card tool,
maybe something inside here.
some manuals.
Cable, headphones?
It came with some basic headphones, a wall charger, which I'm assuming is
Nothing else.
is a quick charger.
Let's check the
I'm assuming, and it's also USB Type-C, which is pretty good. Okay, I'll just clear this up. All right, so you can take off the plastic, which is.
I had to take it out.
Actually, yeah, the glue on these phones is, you know, as if they're trying to protect it. Oh my god. That is... Here, you just pull it from here. I think. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they stick it the phone.
There you go. You could take it apart.
Whoa.
Oh, so you like the design?
Did they give any case?
No, in this variant they didn't give the case, but wow, it feels really good in the hand. It's all aluminum.
Let's turn on.
I think the power button's over here on the side. This is the power button. There's volume keys, headphone jack, single speaker, USB Type-C.
Didn't give any pin.
No, there's I don't think there's a I don't think there's a pen in this phone. I don't think usually the phones have
The
Android one.
Android one.
Yeah. So let's do a little bit of a size comparison. Just you know, for anyone who's wondering, the phone. This is the Nokia 7, right next to it. I would say it's about as thick, maybe thinner. Yeah, it's a little thinner, and also it doesn't have a big groove on the back like a camera bump like the other phones did in the Nokia series.
And it moves.
Right, so we'll probably do an OS update and all that and give impressions. But yeah, that's the Nokia 6 unboxing. What do you think of the phone? Do you think it's a thumbs up phone or?
Thumbs up.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll give an update on the phone when we update it. Obviously, it's not up to date, but you know, I hope you guys like the unboxing. And yeah, see you guys soon.